Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to use our record function without recording a sound in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So first of all, we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for advanced features, and here we have our screenshot and screen recordings options. Then we need to scroll to screen recordings, and here it is, record sound. So right now by default we have our media option selected, but we can change it to no option, so no sound will be recorded, only the video, only the visual without a sound. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.